Thank you for joining in today, and for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I have a new watercolor, like a travel palette here, or paper. Little notebook here that I ordered from Amazon, and I was going to review the quality of it. This is the Winsor & Newton watercolor paper, and like a little notebook here. Like I said, this is really nice for sketches or for traveling, and I have used it already. Let's see here, there's 15 sheets, but I use the front and the back, so there's pretty much 30 for me. And some basic information here. Let's see, this was the cold press 140 pound cotton. This particular one is 5 inches by 7 inches. There's also bigger ones available, but like you can see here, I have the simple pumpkin there. And what I really wanted to double check here is I did another project there on the other side, and nothing leaked through whatsoever. There's no buckling. You can see here the paper is really nice and thick and sturdy. And like I said, for me, I really wanted to be able to use both sides, and I can definitely do so. Also, like you can see here, if you wanted to take the sheets out, you can. There's like this little seam here that you can fold back and forth and then take them out. Or I'm sure you can use an X-Acto knife. But again, there's lots of sheets in here. And I guess if you wanted to do one of those landscapes, it does have the coil. So probably wouldn't do one of that in this particular like book setting, but there are ones where you can get without the coil. Obviously, this is just the one that I chose. And let's see here, there was some basic information on the back. It says acid free, free of optical brighteners. Let's see. It says that it will not yellow or degrade over time, will not warp. This is good, ideal for watercolor, that gouache, ink, acrylic, many other techniques. So you can use it for a wide variety of things. Highest quality surface, smooth, even washes. Okay, and again, it just has this like nice gray cover, and it's pretty thick. It has a nice smooth texture there. Yeah, so overall, I think this was a really good purchase. Like I said, once again, it's 5 by 7, this particular one. There's less than $15 on Amazon, so it's definitely, you know, a good affordable price, good quality. And if you wanted a bigger one, obviously you could purchase a bigger one. And I will leave a link in the description where this particular one came from. And also, you can feel free to check out any of my other art reviews. I'll leave everything in the description down below. And thank you so much for watching.